Here we go. We have a question pairs with a difference k. So you have given an array of positive integers. We need to find the number of pairs of integers whose difference equals a given number k. So AB and BA are considered same. Also, the same numbers at different indices are considered different. So we have this test case. In this test case, we need to find the difference of A and B and how many such pairs exist in an array. First pair is 1 and 4, so it will make a pair. The difference between these number is 3. Next we have 5 and 2. So in this test case, the output is 2. In this test case, the output is 5, and the 5 pairs are given in the explanation. So let's try to build the approach. We have given this test case and we need to count how many such pairs exist. So I hope you have already solved a question where we need to find the summation of a plus b, whether it is equal to k. So this problem is very famous and it is known as two sum. And in our today's POTD, we need to find whether a minus b is equal to k. So this question is a different variation, and we will apply map here. Using the map, we will try to solve this question. So in this question, we have this equation a minus b is equal to k. So first equation will be this: a is equal to k plus b, and another equation here I have taken b on the other side. Next, let's take b on the other side and k to this side. So b will be our b will be b is here, then we can write a minus k, or here we can write b plus k, b plus k. So a and b is our current number, means ARR of I, and we need to find whether this uh, this integer, this value is present previously, means its value is present in our map or not, and if present, then what's the frequency of this particular number. So let's try to solve this. First we have 1, so we need to find whether, so let's take k. What is the k here? Here k is 3. So our k is 3. We need to check, this is our first number. 1 plus 3, is it present in our map? 1 minus 3, is it present in our map? No, initially our map is empty. So now we need to store this number. So we need to store 1. The frequency of 1 is 1. Next we have 5. So we need to check whether 5 plus 3 is present and 5 minus 3 is present. No. So we need to store 5. The frequency is 1. Next we have 3. So we need to check whether 3 plus 3 and 3 minus 3 is equal is present. No. Then store 3. Then we have 4. So 4 plus 3, is it present? 4 minus 3, is it present? This is not present, but this is present. So let's take this value. How many values are there? Only one value. So let me take answer. Initially our answer is 0. Now our answer becomes 1. And don't forget to add 4 here. 4 frequency will be 1. Next we have 2. So we need to check whether 2 plus k is equal to 5. Is 5 present? Yes, 5 is present. And what about 2 minus 3, which is minus 1? No, it is not present. So we need to increment our answer. Then store 2. Store 2. So let me take one more value here. So let's take 3 itself. So we have this 3. So we need to check whether 3 plus 3 is is present. No, it is not present. And what about 3 minus 3? Is it present? No, it is not present. So now our 3 increments. So let me take one more value. This time, so I think that's enough. You got my point. So let's try to code this. So we first have a map of integer and integer. Next we have answer. Next we have for each loop. Whether I plus k is present, then store it. If I minus k is present, then store it. Else increment the frequency of the current element. Next we just need to return the integer. So let's give it a try. Let's talk about time and space complexity. In this function, the time complexity is order of n and space complexity is also order of n. If you have learned something new, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and we have met the expected time and space complexity. Thank you all for watching this video.